So you're attempting to put the windshield in all by yourself?
Technically, you're here.
I am. Do you need a hand?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, you let me know. Until then, I'm going to do this.
My screwdriver, my special screwdriver. I'm so used to doing everything myself, I don't know how to get somebody to help me to do things. All right, so I'm imagining I gotta get the upper rubber in first.
If you need or want my help, please let me know.
Yeah, I don't know how to go about this. Got this big honking rubber on top, and I think I started it. Everything should be pretty easy. What do I know? This is my first Tri-5 glass. This looks relatively simple to me, but see, there's a big, huge lip in here.
Let me see. I'm trying to get underneath.
Yeah,
to
but
show
you see,
people what you're doing.
There's a huge lip. So on the bottom doesn't have the same lip. So I'm kind of, to me, it just makes sense to kind of pull this across. The top will kind of want to flip in.
Yeah.
And then I'll use the rope on the bottom and it'll kind of all just plop in place.
That's your plan?
Yeah. It's kind of the idea.
I like it.
See, as long as I can reach it, from here I can kind of give the glass a little tiny push.
Yeah, it just moved there.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as it's over. See, I think this bigger lip actually goes like way, way back. I think so. Huh. We'll find out. I gotta get to the other side.
Yes, you will.
I gotta get to the other side. Try to do the same I've been doing here. This side, the glass is so far away. I gotta try to get it closer.
Yeah, it is pretty far away, actually.
As long as this lip stays over it, I'm okay with this.
Yeah.
Like it'll all just work out. Or in my mind, it'll work out.
I mean, it sounds like a solid plan.
See, it's kind of going there.
Like, I honestly can't even step up into this truck right now. Are you going to build me steps?
You and Pablo.
Yay.
Can share.
No.
I'm doing okay. All right. Everybody? Guess I'll start with my rope.
Oh, now the rope?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. All right.
I'm not sure. To me, it should be further back, but I think I need this lip to come up. Oh yeah, that's not working.
That's not working?
No. This needs to come back a lot more before I can do that.
If I was taller, I'd help you.
I need to get this bottom onto this edge. More soapy water. I'll start with that.
I will get out of your way.
Yeah, all right. Slippery is good for this, I'm thinking.
Oh, that's why you're using soap. I get it now.
Gotta get the glass to come up over this edge.
Whoa.
Once the glass is like rammed in up,
Yeah.
I'm thinking then my rope will work, but I need to do
It's
this
not
without breaking stuff.
It's not far enough in yet.
I know. I think it's because I don't know really what I'm doing.
I mean, I like your plan though.
Trying to make everything good, slippery without breaking stuff.
Yeah, don't break it.
I think you have to be very uncomfortable with what's going on, and then I think we're kind of close.
Yeah? I mean, I'm a little nervous right now, I'm not gonna lie.
It's working a little bit.
Did you feel it go in?
It's sort of starting. Like once it's close, this stuff, some of this will just make sense.
Yeah.
I know I'd ask you to help, but I don't really know what I'm doing, so.
Well, if you need my help, you just let me know. I don't
Maybe
know.
it's the top. Maybe I gotta do a little more up here. Really not sure.
Is that going better now?
I don't know.
Hard to tell.
Hard to tell. This was close getting over the lip.
Closer than before?
If I can catch up.
Yeah.
It's still not. The whole thing needs to come up. So I don't know if that is helping or it just made stuff a whole lot worse.
Yeah. All right, about 10 minutes later,
Well, I wouldn't say that.
5 minutes later.
It's a little bit later.
It's a little bit later.
We got
We're making progress.
Got a game plan.
Yeah, I think we're making
I
progress.
think I gotta pull the top in a little more. The rope game just did not work for me.
Not exactly. I feel like what you're doing now, though, is eventually going to get you where you need to be.
Yeah, I need the top to come in a little more.
Sadly, there's nothing I can do to help you with that.
I kind of give everything a little bit of. It's all sort of started. It just needs. That works.
Or works.
Oh, I know. Everybody's gonna say there's a better way to do this. Thanks.
Well, we don't know everything.
It's good to know. I'm not phased yet, so we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, you're not ready to give up.
No, I know it'll happen. You just gotta take your time, that's all.
Yeah.
Once I can get this bottom to slip up over, it'll be so much easier. It's semi-starting.
It is starting.
They kind of have to work together, I think.
Do you want my help again?
No, I'm just gonna keep kind of walking this thing.
Okay.
I think the glass itself, I gotta kind of, I gotta feed, some rubber or some water into it. It's like everything needs a little bit of moisture into it. The slicker everything is, the better.
Cool.
I'll feel better when everything's just slippery and unmanageable. Then we can restart comfortably.
Okay.
Good times.
I know, fun.
I don't know what's happening, but it just doesn't want to go up enough.
Like it's gotta go.
Yeah, it's got to go under.
Okay.
See, once the top pops in place, the bottom rubber, I believe, is going to have more
Yeah.
breathing room.
Yeah.
If I get everything like just sloppy enough, it'll just everything will just kind of slip and slide into place. It's just this kind of fell out. It's there, but it's not there.
Did we take a step backwards there?
I'm not sure. I'm close, but I'm just not close enough.
Yeah. So it's got to go that way.
Yeah, if it's got to go that way, we got to pull it right out. There's just no way around it. Man, that sucks. I don't see any other way around it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so much garbage. Baloney!
Yeah.
So much baloney.
Yeah.
Gotta say, positive. What is this? Just kick a feller's butt.
It's definitely doing that.
It just does not want to move.
You're not having as much fun now as when you started.
I mean, it sucks, but, well, we haven't broke it, so that's a
No,
win.
no, that's a huge win.
And look at that side of it. I don't know how. Everything's like loose up on top. It's just...
I don't know. That's weird.
I don't either. This is so terrible. It's so gotta go the one way. Oh, it's so lame.
Like it's got to come towards me. I can see the big gap on the outside right now.
Well, I know. It's got the same one here.
Okay.
It's just so far.
Yeah.
Oh, so yucky.
Yeah.
Like, does a guy maybe start on the bottom? I don't know how you do these. What's the easier way to do this? What's the easiest way to do it without wrecking?
Well, not wrecking it is definitely a goal.
Maybe we start the bottom and then work our way to the top? Maybe that's how you do it?
You want to come up with a different plan?
Yeah, I gotta start over.
Okay.
Gotta start over.
So many minutes later,
Very uncomfortable working.
we are still struggling. I think we're making progress. Ever so slowly. It's just a very...
Tried the rope pulled out, didn't get very far. I never usually have a lot of luck with rope pulls for a windshield.
The corners are giving us grief.
Yeah, from what I read, you're supposed to put them in bottom to top, but I can't get this sucker to go down.
Yeah. Been working on that for a while.
Yeah.
Keep at it because I think it's starting to move, but just ever so slightly.
You can do it.
You can do it. I believe in you. Just try not to break it.
Pretty on the hands.
Yeah. There is so much soap on this window right now.
I'd laugh if it was the wrong window. Just trying to ram it into the wrong kind of truck.
So the thought actually did cross my mind for a second. I'm like,
It looks right.
but is it though, really?
I don't know. Like once it's in, I'm sure it is.
Yeah. That's the part we're stuck on right now is getting it all the way in. Gonna happen though. I know it.
Like, is it this problem? I can't get it to go down.
This is a how to install a windshield without losing your ever-loving mind video.
Welcome to a lot of days in my shop. I have Esther helping me. We're still married. She's still in the shop offering to help, so clearly I'm doing something right.
I'm not feeling very helpful right now, though. Like offering, but not actually helping right now. I don't know that there's anything I could actually
I don't know.
do for you right now.
It's so crazy messed up.
Yeah. Those corners are just so gappy still.
Yeah. According to the videos, you put it in bottom to top.
Did that.
Yeah, top to bottom doesn't work either.
No.
Real. That real bugger.
Yeah.
I don't know. If shy of putting a pry bar somewhere, I don't know.
Yeah.
It just doesn't want to go down enough.
Like how much are we out right now, would you say? Half an inch?
No, like it's got to go an inch in yet.
Oh, good grief.
Like we're just under the lip.
Huh. I thought we were further along than that.
No, we're about where we were a half hour ago.
Fun. Okay.
Nothing has changed there.
Huh. Oh, I totally misread our progress then.
I don't know, it's just because this and this. Man.
Yeah.
I'll spray it with something. We'll figure something out here.
Yeah.
Don't do it that way. Flathead.
Okay, so there's a whole like ratchet strap on the windshield now. Huh.
What's helping with the pressing?
It's a good idea, actually.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen anybody do it before.
Well, you're a pioneer, so.
I'm giving it it's helping me get an even pressure on the windshield. It's just being miserable enough. But I think we just about got her.
Do you have any feeling left in your fingers?
No, not so much.
Okay.
Yes, Esther's learning it's very violent putting in one of these windows.
So violent.
But I guess you just got to be patient and just keep trying. That's all there is to it.
Well, you have been doing that for a very long time now.
It's about the only way to do it, I guess. I don't know.
I mean, it looks really good from here, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for. It's kind of high. Can't see. I'm struggling with this corner. I'm hoping I can keep getting a little bit of pressure on it. It'll hold and maybe it'll kind of like just slip into its spot.
I have faith in you. I know you can do it.
You're so close.
I know. I'm so excited.
I guess it's the windshield. You can't get mad at it. What are you going to do?
No.
It'll get expensive in a hurry.
And it's not broken. So
yet.
yay. Sure. Don't jinx it.
Come on, you can do it. Oh, these suck. I know
Okay.
there's somebody out there. You're doing it totally wrong. Oh, you know it. We tried the rope though. I think we did it twice. It didn't go. And then it's back to my bent screwdriver. If I can find it, I'll show you. Whatever. It's a flat screwdriver with a hook on it.
Yeah.
I'll show you in my video. You'll see there.
Yes. Well,
Either way, we've just about won. So
yeah. And dinner will be ready in like 10 minutes. So,
I'll let this sit.
okay.
Hopefully it just kind of just slips right into place.
Sure looks good.
Better than that one. Hey, Bozo. Hey, Bozo. You've had enough supper, eh? You look like you've had enough supper.
He's so happy we're home. Okay.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Good job. Later.